airport to pick up Duane to start our fishing trip to Mosquito Lagoon. Let's see if he's outside waiting for us already. Hey buddy, need a ride?
How are you?
Good.
Chaos getting out of there. They make you walk around the whole goddamn airport.
Just throw it out top.
I gotta rearrange everything in there for you.
I just make room on the other one.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
How was the flight?
Tired.
Stopped at Denny's for breakfast and had a great breakfast.
Okay, we made it to Mosquito Lagoon. We still got the kayaks intact.
Oh, okay.
It'll look cool to have some rods. I like that.
It sure would.
Speaking of that, I'll start picking up the rods. They're already ready to go. He's gonna tie on.
This is the view from our deck. We even have our own little lighthouse.
Just launched, 3 o'clock at the Mosquito Lagoon. Got this strange dude in from Pennsylvania. Said he's gonna show me and Hank how to catch some fish. We're waiting for Dad to come out of the mangroves here. That's the cabin we're staying at. Beautiful view. Got about a 270-degree view of the water. Great spot. Hopefully we catch some fish. What do you think, Dana? Let's go get them. Dana? Enough. All right, here we go. We're all launched and we're on our way out. Roger that, we can fight. Let's do it. Probably whip a spoon through there too. That's killer spoon territory. Man, that water is moving. Oh yeah. Let's just push right through here, Data. You gonna go around? Okay. Watch for those deadfalls there. You got a flounder? Nice.
That's good eating, right?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks. Is that on a spoon?
Yep.
You got a flounder?
Yeah.
Nice. What's it right in the kayak?
Making a rocket.
Oh yeah, big flounder. That's a doormat there. Ho ho ho! You caught the best eating fish in the lagoon.
Yeah. It's looking tomorrow night supper.
All right. On a spoon you got. Wow, that's a monster. Good one. I never seen a flounder on a spoon. Look at that beast. Hold that up. Turn it sideways. Yeah. Hang on, let me get the sun out of the way. There we go. Beauty. Got a dolphin here. Blowing up mullet everywhere.
Oh, she got some pull to her. Yeah.
Okay, we got about an hour of fishing left. So far, Dad got a big flounder. Brother Duane got about a 14-inch snook. And Uncle Tom hasn't caught nothing. They're showing me up. Starting to hurt my ego.
I thought I saw red when it hit. He's swimming at me. Nice trout. I got him hooked good. Woo! That's a good trout there, huh? Yeah.
Duane just hooked up with a slot trout.
I got another keeper.
Sunset at Mosquito Lagoon.
First morning at Mosquito Lagoon. We got no wind this morning, so we should have good visibility. Dana woke up this morning, and Hank woke up this morning. Let's go get him. Oh, was that a hit?
Yeah, that was a red.
There we go. Or a big trout.
I didn't jerk either time.
Might have been a red. Might have been a big trout though.
That had that goldy pop to it.
Yeah, it had some percussion to it.
Huh?
It had some percussion to it for sure. All right, Duane's on what we think is a good trout.
My biggest snook ever.
Oh, it's a nice one.
Oh shit, here it goes.
Let him run.
Wait till you see this thing, Duane. I got him on the Z-Man, babes.
He might be slot.
One's gonna be close. I think he's gonna be bigger. Shit, I gotta get out of this.
You're all right
Oh no, my line broke.
there. Oh.
You gotta be kidding me. Shit.
Did your leader break or your line broke?
Tom's not broke. Look at this. He killed the shit out of it, Dad.
Yeah. Oh, man.
I couldn't, before he realized he was gone, I could have got him too. But I was afraid of drifting in the mangroves. I always think I have him hooked better than I do when I play with him. You know?
Oh, he looked pretty well hooked. He just got that leader behind his gill.
He looked all of 30 inches to me, Dad.
He was definitely slot.
The biggest snook I ever had.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, he's going in the mangroves on me. Oh, he's gone. Big snook.
See him, Tord?
Well, folks, we're giving it our best shot. It is so windy out there, we could only fish in the coves. Making it a very tough trip. The clarification of the water was awful. It was all brown. But we're doing the best we could. It's our last day. We're having a great time anyway.
It's a little windy out, so we came back here behind some islands. We're fishing a whole nother section.
There's a manatee 3 feet on the side of me and I can't even see him.
I just saw one pop up in front of you too.
Yeah, it's literally right next to me. I only see him when his head comes up. I can't see any of his body. Swimming next to me.
We put up on the land to take a break, have a beer,
Land ho.
and
If you want to come in, Dad, I'll pull over here.
come up with a plan for the last 2 hours of fishing.
You're gonna anchor there? You don't want to give your ass a break?
Gave it about 45-minute break, and we came back to the Dana snook glory hole. Pulled 6 snook out of here in about 15 minutes.
We call her Snooky.
So we're back. Try to get some live action hookups here.
Oh, here we go. It's coming at me. I can't tell. I think it's small.
Keep it. He's coming right at you. Keep it tight.
I think it's small. It's definitely small.
Definitely?
Not definitely. We're gonna get a look. It's staying deep though.
Yeah, this might not be small. Another snook?
Yeah, I think so.
This kid is on fire. He is showing me and Hank how to do it. Damn Pennsylvania kid.
I'm gonna circle away so we don't ruin the.
Yeah, good idea.
Oh, Hank, you got one? Yeah, small one.
What is that though? We might want to keep that for bait. Oh, if it's a snook, we can't. But
I can't get a look at him. I feel like he's a red. He won't come up. Might be a red. He really won't come up. I thought when he came up once, I saw a black line though. But the way he's acting.
yeah, everybody's hooked up with Tom. It looks like.
Huh?
They are definitely out fishing me this weekend.
It's a red.
Oh, now he's got a freaking red. with that stupid lure again.
Dude, I told you.
Oh my.
I'm down to see me.
Hankster said his next fish is gonna be a tuna. Yeah. I don't know if he's gonna make 18, but you got your grand slam now, babes. The Pennsylvania kid got his grand slam.
I don't know, I'm not taking it for granted. No, he's not.
Don't look that small.
No. No, he ain't small. Tor, I got another nice snook, babes. I'm gonna set my drag a little looser and try working this guy in. He's just sitting, look at this. He's just sitting down, Dad. He ain't running, here he goes. Oh no, it's a red, I think. Oh no, it's a snook, look at this guy. It's a nice, it's just gonna be a slot, I think. Might be just under. Tor's trying to take us out of here when we're catching fish. No, when we first came, you said just pretty spooked, you think. I said, I think we found him, babes. I had my drag so loose because I really want him in.
Yeah, swear him out. They'll fight like crazy, but when they give up, they give up. Oh yeah, that one's gonna be small.
He's smaller than the last one, believe it or not.
Yeah, he is.
The other one I lost was bigger. I got my drag loose. I'm just gonna let him.
That's it. He's got nowhere to go.
He's just sitting there saving energy, though, isn't he?
Yeah, but make him move. That's that. Make him move.
Yeah.
He's worth it. Make him spend the energy. He's looking at me.
The only way you can lose this is you don't freeze, so just let him loose.
He ain't tired yet. No way. You think?
He'll get to his feet. He'll go on the side.
Yeah,
I feel like I'm fishing with 8-pound test right now. That's how I'm treating it. I lost so many of them for trying to bully them in. Even if it takes a minute, I'm gonna get them.
yeah, no, take him on the foot. Yes, he doesn't have the energy to jump anymore. Let him wear out. Hold lay out his side like that.
Looks like he swallowed it.
Let him right out. You want me to come around and give you a hand?
No, I want to land him.
You can dump those like a bass too if you have a hard time.
No, I got him.
Yeah, Dana. Oh, yeah. Here comes Mosquito Lagoon. Killing it.
The finesse worm, kid.
He ain't coming anymore. He's gonna be right close to 27. Okay, we got some rods out there. Some shrimp. Chilling on the beach, sitting in the sand with their toes in the water. Having a beer. Cheers, Dana.
Cheers, Tor.
Waiting for the fish to bite. We haven't caught anything, but that's okay. Because we're pretty cozy. Not a bad setup at all.
break on the island.
Okay, it's 4 o'clock. We took a little nap on the island and we're back at it. Still really windy. But this is our last chance to catch some fish right here. I might come up before that.
Alright. Pop, thank you for everything. You guys have a safe trip back.
Okay, thank you.
I will. You
Okay.
guys have a good day. Have a safe trip back, alright?
Yep. See ya.
Hey, thanks for catching all the fish.